your ends meeting? Or are you still trying to make a meet? Are you still trying to figure out how you are going to get extra money coming into your pocket, into your household, to make your mortgage payment, to make your rent payment, to buy your groceries, so that you don't have to tell your kids no when they want to join baseball or ballet? Are you still trying to figure that out? It's a painful place to be. It really is, especially as a parent. You don't want to have to be telling your kids no. You don't want to have to figure out, how am I going to pay for groceries? Guys, it's so bad that we're putting groceries on our credit cards. What are you doing about it? Imagine this. Imagine that when you go to the grocery store, you can buy whatever you want. You can buy your organic, you can buy your yogurts, you can buy anything that you want. Imagine being able to treat your family at least every week to a nice dinner out. Imagine being able to plan a vacation where you close your eyes and you pick the spot where you're going to vacation. Just imagine that life. Can you wrap your head around it? You may not be able to right now because you're in a situation. But here's a question for you. What would an extra $900 a day make for you? How would that change your life? Would $900 a day change your life? And not only just making $900 a day, being taught how to do it. You can be completely beginner friendly. You can have 2 jobs already, and you can still be successful in this business. I want you to comment yes, so that I can help you get started, and we can get you to earning and making those ends meet for you, and then you can have your vacation this year